Hello, everybody. Actually, the topic of this talk is really connected to the general topic of warfare. Is connected to Krzysiek's talk, which was completely not planned for me, but it turned out that Krzysiek was in a structured way in how to build a team, and I'm in a guerrilla warfare, which is completely different side of warfare. And for those who don't actually know what guerrilla warfare is, it's like the type of warfare where you are low on resources, you're doing unexpected things, you're doing things super quickly. And that's kind of development I wanted to talk about a little bit now. So there are a lot of parts of the development when you actually want to have structured things. You want to go and deliver good things, good code, quality products. But sometimes there are those moments where you just don't care and need to do something quick. And that's one thing that I needed recently. So I'm working on a web project that needed some testing on Android devices, and especially with the text input and with the keyboard. So I actually needed to have something that I was working on the way that people input text. And I needed a way to automate those things, to find some really hard to reproduce bugs, which needed to reproduce them, I needed to type for 3 minutes some random text, which was quite not fun. And I wanted to do it quickly. So I went out to Google and wanted to check out what are the options to do it, how to automate it. And I found Appium, which is a whole cross-platform test automation toolkit that connects to your phone or Android simulator and lets you automate things using code. And I started to go in and check out how to set it up, and then I had to install the Android dev tools and bunch of dependencies, set up npm with Appium and then Appium drivers, and it was a lot of things, and I wanted to just do things quickly. So I went on and just created something super simple. I tried to go down and find what are actually the things that I do on my phone to test these things. And there were basically three main pillars. So one was what do I see on my screen? So I found this screen copy script that basically takes your phone, your Android phone, and clones it to your laptop. Then I had this one, which is CLI click, where with CLI you create a command and it clicks on the screen. And then I had needed something that connects those both, and I use ZX from Google, which is a Node runtime that can easily run bash commands. And yeah, you can also use for phones, for iPhones, you could try and use iPhone mirroring, but when you try to do it, it's not available in your country or region. So I actually don't know how to really use it on your own phone right now. But yeah, so this will be Android only. So I wanted to show you how it actually works. So here's my phone. And if I run screen copy, you should see the phone. And now I can, I don't know, start typing and do other things. So this is screen copy. And I also can run it with -S, which will screen copy and turn off the phone. So if I tap something here, then it doesn't get screwed up. And then I've got a JS script, which is basically a thing that, okay, go on. I've got some random data. I've got this handy setup kill function that goes in and runs a bash command of OA script, which is Apple script, in a JavaScript version, which imports things using Objective-C and checks if any of the modifier keys are clicked, so that if anything happens, I can kill the process, because if it starts, then it goes, and you cannot do anything because it will click the screen all the time. So I set up a test like run for 10 minutes, and for 10 minutes my laptop is basically unusable because I cannot quit the process. So that's how it happened. And then I set up tap on input, or then I've got this handy function that will go on and tap on letters on the keyboard. And you might ask, how do I know where each of the letters are? Really simple. I did a screenshot. Then I built a super simple script using cursor that I can go on and map basically all of the. Oh, okay. Of course, it doesn't work now. Oh, okay. But you get the point. I manually mapped where on my screen is each of the keys. And now if I've got this one and I run npm run start, then the magic happens. I cannot do anything on my screen now because it will overtake the whole keyboard. But basically, that's the way to write it, and it writes it for quite a long time. Like basically, how long do you want? And I also added at the end, it takes a screenshot, so I can just leave my laptop for like an hour, and it does multiple runs of those, and I can just check the screenshots if it broke at any point of the time. So yeah. So that's basically it. So what I wanted to show you is that sometimes there are problems which you don't really need to solve the proper way. Sometimes there are moments where you just want to have something running super quickly, and how to approach them best is to just go down like to the lowest level that you can go to and check, okay, what are the core things that you need to do? You can piece something together. Like I won't use it anywhere else. If I set it up with Appium, I could like do end-to-end tests later and save it for the future. But I just put it together in like half a day, and then I can run multiple tests just for testing and trying to reproduce the issue. And yeah, and if you want to see the terrible code that I wrote, it's here, and it's under this QR code as well. And yeah, if you want to connect, then here are the links. And I guess that's it. Thank you.